Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Digital safety tips and strategies for everyone. And one of the most talked about ways to protect yourself is to develop strong passwords. It protects you from hackers. Passwords should include characters, numbers, letters, uppercase and lowercase letters. Cyberbullying has become quite prevalent, and do not waste your time engaging with cyber bullies. They aren't worth it. Always report them for any and all instances. The younger generation must be aware of their digital footprints, which are posts, tweets, shares, etc. that are made public, but may come back to get them fired. There's a ton of wrong information and fake news out there, and that means checking at least 3 different sources. Never ever make private information public. You're just asking for trouble, and identity theft happens each and every day. If you are ever using a public computer, you absolutely must sign out of the device. I would recommend this for personal computers as well. When researching and presenting information, be sure to use primary sources. For example, direct quotes from an on-site interview in a newspaper article. Earlier I mentioned the importance of strong passwords, but you must frequently change those passwords as well. It's not advisable to have the same password for everything. Be very careful for internet scams, and be sure a site is absolutely secure before you use a credit card. One way to be sure a site is secure is to investigate their websites. Chrome browsers, for example, have a lock symbol on the left-hand side of the address bar to indicate the site is secure. Look for the words in the address bar as well. Just the same, you always have to be careful before downloading something to your computer. Many viruses enter computers from disingenuous downloads. This advice is for both young and old. Although we often speak with strangers online, it is not safe to meet with strangers. There are many creeps out there. I have recently read a story that an individual was fired from a job for simply liking a tweet. As crazy as it sounds, it does happen. A like equals an endorsement. Early on, I had a bunch of videos saved to my computer and they weren't backed up. Now those videos are gone forever. Back up your data as a precaution. It is dangerous to connect to someone else's Wi-Fi. Even certain public Wi-Fi can be dangerous. Make sure it is secure. If updates ever become available to you, don't put it off. Just perform the update. Procrastination in general is a bad idea. In today's world of online business, future entrepreneurs should have a basic understanding of laws to avoid being sued. Lastly, be sure your computer has an active and up-to-date antivirus software. This is a top priority. Anyway, right now I want to say thank you for your time. Check the description for a link to resources on digital citizenship in the classroom. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.